I have an Everstar model hdc36ss wine fridge made by Franklin. We got it as a gift in 2007. The inside cools fine, but the outside is very hot to the touch, both on top and sides. The little fan is not working in the back. Trying to figure out if it's worth the repair or not. From what I read, the business no longer exists and there have been problems with this fridge.
Hi. I'm Smitty. I am a professional appliance repair consultant here to help you diagnose and repair your appliance. You are correct, the company does not exist anymore. They went out of business about 4 to 5 years ago. There was another company that was handling their repairs and spare parts, but they don't even answer that phone anymore. To be perfectly honest, the unit is not worth the time or money to repair. That's even if you can get parts for it and know how to work on them. No refrigerations companies will touch one. I won't even quote a repair price on one because I know the problems associated with them. I am sorry, but best suggestion is run it till it dies and then replace it. Please let me know if you require further assistance or information. Thank you. Best, Smitty.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.